Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here, testing out this number 5 Stanley that I'm tuning up for someone. Not quite flat yet. Still have a little bit more to go in the front here and in the back there. But I'm out of coarse abrasive. So while I'm testing it out, I thought I'd ask you which you prefer when planing. Do you prefer an oil-soaked rag in a can to lubricate the sole? Or do you prefer the candle wax? They both work. Sad part is both of them require 2 hands. Now, I saw something in a video. Yes, I do watch videos, which I thought was very interesting. And if any of you from the UK know what I'm talking about, if you can send some links to pictures or descriptions, I would love to know more about it. Right now, the man's name eludes me. But he was an old-time woodworker, hand tool woodworker in the UK, and he did many videos showing how to use different tools, cut different joints, etc. He has since passed, so I can't ask him. I've tried reaching out to descendants, and I've also tried looking for some of his books. It was a block of wood, and in that block of wood was a well that held some sort of cloth, and it sat on the workbench much like the can, but it was heavy, so it didn't move, and all he would do is just that. He would rub, didn't have to use his hand, he would just rub the plane across the lubricant. So let me know what you think. Candle wax? Oil on a rag in a can? Or nothing at all? Working pretty good for an inexpensive, beat up number 5. Like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your workshop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.